DeepSeek AI tool explained. DeepSeek is a powerful assistant, helps with research, content creation, and problem solving. DeepSeek uses advanced natural language processing. It provides accurate and helpful responses. DeepSeek can help you with many tasks, such as writing, coding, answering complex questions. DeepSeek is designed to save time and enhance productivity. So, how can DeepSeek help you research a topic? Quickly and effectively. For example, you can ask DeepSeek to summarize a complex article or explain a technical concept in simple terms. Here is how you can ask. Please explain to me how blockchain technology works in simple terms. Being precise helps DeepSeek provides a clear and concise answer. You can also use DeepSeek to generate creative ideas, like brainstorming topics for a blog post or a project. For example, can you suggest 5 unique blog topics about sustainable living? DeepSeek can also help you draft emails or messages. For example, can you write a professional email requesting a meeting with a client? DeepSeek can also assist with learning new skills. You can ask, please explain how to use Python for data analysis. To get the best results from DeepSeek, it's important to be specific in your request. Instead of asking, tell me about marketing, try this. Can you explain content marketing strategies for small businesses in 2025? Let's see how DeepSeek can help you create a content calendar. For example, can you draft a 3 month content calendar for a sustainable fashion brand? Remember this: the more specific your follow up questions are, the better DeepSeek can tailor its suggestions for your niche. Now, let's ask DeepSeek to generate content for your calendar. For example, can you write a blog post outline about sustainable materials in fashion for 2025? Now, let's explore how DeepSeek can optimize marketing. You can ask, can you generate 5 variations of a product launch headline for eco-friendly shoes focusing on urgency and sustainability? Test with your friends to refine your messaging. Ask DeepSeek to generate design ideas for you. You can suggest shooting angles. Ask DeepSeek to create a meal plan for you. You suggest a 3-day vegetarian meal plan with yin yang balance? DeepSeek can also generate a schedule exercise routine for a busy day. DeepSeek will bring harmony to your daily life. Go ahead and try.